Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be looking at Classic Edition from Bocopo. Now I know absolutely nothing about this deck. It looks very simplistic. Absolutely nothing on the top case apart from 2017. We'll try and focus on that. 2017 Classic Edition, produced and distributed by Bocopo. It does say there, very small, quite hard to see letters, Bocopo. So let's crack in and have a look. I'm presuming these are going to be very standard. I'm going to have to get the knife on it. So I'm presuming these are going to be very standard. But let's have a look. So I've got Bocopo steel playing cards. God, it's really hard to read here. Made in the USA. So these may be the blue steels. Blue steels classic editions. Presumably that's what they're called. Let's get that out of the way and have a look here. So you got the Bocopo logo there in red and blue. You have, ooh, pretty cool. Oh, that's different as well. That's not the same as the back of these, but tag your photos on Instagram. It's pretty good. Manufactured by United States Playing Card Company. High quality playing cards as low as $3.99 a deck. Now that's the back. Very cool. So let's get into this. You've got the Ace of Spades here. It's maybe a Bocopo standard. I'm not massively familiar with a lot of their decks. But apart from that, you go straight into a standard face situation. Standard royalty also. Straight through. Standard. So what sets this deck apart? Well, I don't know because I've only just opened it and seen it for the first time. But, oh, that's not the back design. What is going on here? So they've got this back design on this card. This back design on this card. And these all have this sort of blue and white mesh. Little tiny diamonds. What the hell? I saw this and I thought it was like that. I took that off, advertising card, fine. That's what the back's going to be. Guess what? It's not. Now I was going to say this is awesome. That'd be good for cardistry. Very cool. It's not what we've got. We have this. Which isn't actually very good for cardistry or flourishes. I mean, it's a nice colour. Pretty cool sort of mesh design. But I don't really know what this is apart from a standard deck of cards. It's called the Steel Series, so I'm guessing, you know, there's a few other colours, but apart from that, it's a very standard deck of cards, which is a bit annoying. I really thought that this was going to be the back here, and I was excited. I mean, it fits in so well with the colour scheme and the colour of the tuck case. I had no reason to suspect that this is what the back would be. I want to say it's underwhelming, but it's only underwhelming in comparison to these two. Because when you look at the tuck case, it doesn't give you any clues, you know? It's not showing you a really cool design and then you're getting something really standard. But, you know, that kind of got me a bit hyped, really. So, that sucks. That would be a really cool deck, and I presume it is a deck that they do. I'd have to have a look and see if I can find it, but nothing stand out, nothing amazing, nothing custom apart from this, which may very well be a Bocopo standard. Disappointed. I mean, they are cheap. They are cheap. They're $5, something along those lines. You know, I'm not expecting insane customization, but that's what I was saying when I first opened it. Looked through, said the faces are standard, but look at the back, and turned it over, and I didn't even know what I was talking about. Bit of a shame, but it's a standard deck of cards. What more do you want? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.